Hi guys, Johnny here from SignLink, and we're here with John Perrott from ARC UK.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You've said to me just a minute ago that you're probably the biggest sign company that no one's heard of yet.
Exactly that, yeah. So ARC is a global business. We're 190 branches throughout the world. We're one of 3 branches in the UK and ARC UK, headed up by our managing director Ross Snell. ARC UK was formed in 2008 as an acquisition by a global business.
Yeah.
And it's grown and grown and grown. Don't know why, but we aren't stay under the radar. We're a business that turns over in the region of 10 million a year.
Yeah.
55 strong staff, committed, great team down in Dartford, servicing anything from 500 business cards up to 1,000 shop rollout.
Yeah.
So we're heavily invested in retail and also interior office fit out. So an office building in London needs manifestations, some environmental graphics. They'll come to us and we'll facilitate that for them.
Brilliant.
From design, print and install.
And you say that, people haven't heard of you, but you have been winning some awards recently. I've definitely heard your name.
Yeah. We're quite pleased. We won the Lando Norris award for the best fabric print in the UK for last year, which we wrapped Lando Norris's Silverstone stoves basically at Silverstone, which was an enormous job. We're very proud of it. It went down really well, and we won the award on the back of it.
Fantastic.
We are invested in retail, so a lot of our clients you'll see on the screen behind us. So Land Securities, Blue Water,
right?
The real estate property where we facilitate all the brands within them shopping centres. We can print, design, and install in them centres throughout the UK without question. So. Yeah, we are. That's our role.
Right.
We've got a great design team, a great print team, and obviously this stand is all built around sustainability.
You were telling me about this. You opened it up, and it's actually made out of cardboard, even though it seems really sturdy.
Everything you see here is cardboard. Everything is an 18mm ARC Pro board.
Right.
So it's a product which is very sustainable. Obviously, it's fireproof.
Yeah.
It's 100% recyclable. So, for instance, this stand would typically cost 30, 40, 50,000 pound in timber.
Yeah.
You're looking at a fraction of that cost using a sustainable material, which is good for the environment, and everyone's happy.
Fantastic. And you've got a lot of offerings here. I could see. I mean, are you kind of one of those one-stop shops that can present anything that your company might need? Yeah,
exactly that. Yeah. So from merchandise, right? I mean, we start off with the design, the concept. We work with clients all over the UK to give them their merchandise, give them their design, give them their print, their install. But it is all under one roof. You're quite right in saying that. And I think that's where we striking while the iron's hot, that's what people want. They want one company that's carbon friendly, that's got all the accreditations.
And it's a single solution provider, basically.
Exactly. Yeah. So our big offering today and at the VM show has been, we've had a great show. We had a great day yesterday. We met a lot of people. A lot of people came onto the stand. We even had Toucan from Dragon's Den.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
He stopped by, he's talking to us about some brands which he might be able to introduce us to. So, yeah, great day yesterday, over 50 contacts made.
Fantastic.
The show's been brilliant. Obviously, the event's a good space.
Yeah.
We're enjoying it. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I should have explained we are at the VMN Display Show. We're going to be doing lots of interviews today. But an event like this, why is it important for a company like ARC to be here?
It's to get our name out there. Like we said earlier, our name isn't out there quite yet.
Yeah.
We stay below the radar. We don't really want to compete with the big boys, but we are out there to get our name out, and we want to promote mainly the sustainability of print.
Right.
It's deemed as, we don't want to put stuff in landfill. Everything we promote, we leading by the best product.
Yeah.
And everyone seems to want that. The Papay team are downstairs. They're pushing people up to see us, which has been brilliant. Yeah. Because people are coming up the stairs and seeing a stand which is all cardboard.
Yeah, well, I immediately got transfixed because you have this glass display of all these, animals. It's quite detailed. Yeah. You've got some really cool stuff here.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Yeah.
No worries.
It's a really good show. We're enjoying it. We're having some good feedback as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, and one more day as well.
One more day, another day to go. So,
fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, great chatting to you. Thank you so much,
appreciate
mate.
Yeah, thank you, Jonathan. Appreciate it.